house. Change it up now. Switch it up now. Here we go, here we go. Fantasy turn reality right in front of me.
Hey beautiful, thank you so much for coming to my channel. So I have a wig to show you guys. This is the GIGI wig from Sensational. Now I'm so excited that they came out with this wig. I've been looking for a full curly wig with a bang, and that's exactly what I got. I love this hair. I think that they executed it perfectly. I love it. I have no complaints. So there are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. This hair is just giving me so much life. It reminds me of like how SZA wears her hair, or like it kind of reminds me of the Amara La Negra from Love and Hip Hop, like how she wears her hair in an afro. Like this is giving me that. Like this hair is so bomb, it's so lit, like it's pretty. I could not wait to give you guys a review on her. I wore this wig out to lunch and I was getting like so many compliments, so many stares. Like this hair is a statement hair. If you don't like big hair, like I wouldn't order this. But if you do like I do, get this wig, get GIGI you guys, because look at how big and full this hair is, you guys. Like she's giving me so much life. This is like a perfect date night hair. This is a perfect birthday hair. This is perfect for like, you know, going out. Like she's perfect. I have this wig in a color number 2. I ordered it from ebonyline.com. It was $22.95 without shipping. This hair is so cute. So at the top it kind of has like layers. It's like shorter and then it comes out longer. Like it's so cute. Like I don't even, you guys, have anything like negative to say about it. I feel like I'm gonna order this hair again. Like after this one gets like old, I'm definitely getting another one of these hairs. It's so cute and so inexpensive. Like you guys, this wig was $23 and like look at it. Like oh my god, this is like so cute. Like definitely like Instagram baddie hair, you guys. Like so if you're going for that look, order this hair. I swear. I know that you've been eyeing it like I did. I was looking at this hair for a little bit and I was like, oh, should I get it or should I not? I'm so happy I did, you guys. Let me think, what else can I say about this hair? Oh, there's also on the picture, on the stock card picture, you can push it all up to the top. Like if you went for like a little updo, that's another style that you can do. I think it's called a pineapple. I haven't tried that yet with it. I've just kind of worn it down in this style that I have right now. But yeah, you guys, she's perfect. She's so full. When I first got her, this is kind of, GIGI is a wig that you have to work with. That's the only thing I would say is bad, or not really bad. That's the only thing I would say about this wig is like, fresh out of the bag, you kind of have to work with it. I had to like pull out the curls because when you first take GIGI out the bag, it's very, all of the curls are like smushed down on it, and you have to kind of, I guess that's with any curly wig, you have to like pull the curls out and kind of like shape it into like the style that you want it to be. But after you do that, she's perfect and like good to go, you guys. So let me kind of like give you a little bit of a 360. So back, full, all the way around, right? So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair. Are you liking it? Do you like this hair as much as I do? So please hit thumbs up, you guys. If there's something that I didn't already mentioned, please let me know and I'll be happy to let you know about this hair. You can get a lot of life out of it because of how short it is. All I would recommend is like, don't wear it every single day. If you have different wigs that you kind of like, oh, wear this one today or wear that one today, makes your hair last longer, you guys. So yeah, if you don't wear this hair every day, I feel like it could last a long time because of how short it is. Short wigs last longer. But yeah, if you're interested in getting Gigi, I definitely recommend getting her because she's very cute. This is diva hair. Get it? Because I know you're a diva because that's why you clicked on the video. So get this wig, okay? And yeah, thank you so much for spending time with me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Please subscribe, you guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, I think that's all. So until next time, bye.